I am planning to make my SID card. Yes, guys, I am planning to make my SID, which is a seafarer's identity document. But I'm going to face a lot of problem because the data which is available into my DD shipping profile, CDC, and passport doesn't match to each other. Yes, I know it is going to be a problem, but let's fix it together. And there is something which I found on a DD shipping basically, and I was just going through a DD shipping profile. Means I just wanted to change some data. I will share about it, and I just end up on an option which is present there now. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video, guys. Yes, guys, this video is about SID where I am planning to make my SID. Why suddenly I am planning to make my SID, that also I'm going to share with you. And there is something which I saw on DD shipping what made me to think about SID, it literally. And if I plan to make my SID, then trust me, I'm going to face a lot of problem because there is a mismatch into my documents. I will talk about it. So before I proceed, make sure you have subscribed to the channel, press that bell icon with all notification on. When I make more informative videos like this, trust me, you will get notified. So guys, basically I was just going through my DD shipping profile last week, and I just wanted to update my email address. Let me be very honest with you. And then suddenly, I end up on a document section where we basically add up our passport and the CDC detail. I just wanted to see that. And then suddenly I clicked on the option, and now guys, there is an option for SID as well. Means I don't know it used to exist from before only, or it is a means recently added feature or recently added option on a DD shipping profile. Means I was just kind of amazed. Means now SID option is also available in that document option. So might be it is an indication from a DD shipping, or we might will hear some circular from a DD shipping regarding a SID. So that's what made me to think about SID now. Now this point is clear. Now second point is, so now guys, what I am planning is to prepare my SID, because means anyways I'm sitting at home doing nothing, just doing my studies and waiting for a call from a cruise line. So in the meanwhile I can just go through all the documents which might will require in the future. And anyways there are so many of information is rolling out, right, for a SID. So I thought, okay, let's do this, let's make the SID. Anyways, I haven't received any official mail from my agency, from my company regarding to make it. But even though if we make it, nothing wrong, right? Means nothing wrong, means it is going to be useful only in the future, hopefully. So now guys, I went on a SID website, and guess what? Means I went through the complete information which they have provided. Means basically, some prerequisites which are required. It is already mentioned there. So basically the moment you start your SID application, so you have to go through with the complete listing which they have provided. So a lot of the people, they don't read that, they just continue, but I read that, and it is completely mentioned over there. The complete data means in your passport and the CDC should match to each other, and it has mentioned a place of birth, your date of birth, your name. They have included the 3 points in a very important point. So now guys, there is a problem in my CDC. What is the problem is, now there is no place of birth only. There is no place of birth. It is just a single dash. So it is going to be required, because I had sent a email to a BSID email address which is present on the website, and I got the email back, please contact your concerned MMD. Alright, so now guys, there was a problem with my profile as well, in the DD shipping profile, where in my profile my place of birth wasn't matching to my passport. So basically my DD shipping profile problem is solved already. Means I went into correction section, which I showed you guys as well in my one of the previous video. If you want to watch that video will come up on the I button, so you can watch out that video how to make a corrections. But I made my corrections, means I fixed my place of birth in my DD shipping profile. So now I'm good to go from a DD shipping, but still in my CDC there is nothing. So now guys, my CDC was actually printed by a Kolkata, means shipping master Kolkata. Means I had applied into Kolkata, so it came from there. I tried to make so many of calls to those peoples, but none of them answered. And even though sometime 1 or 2 times from 100 times that call get connected, but some of the other department people, they pick up the call, then they say you put that extension, and nobody pick up the call. That's what I ended up. So I was trying to send an email also. Means I sent emails to a DD shipping, means, but I didn't get any of the reply. Means I wrote in the email regarding my problem, the issue which I do not have a place of birth into my CDC, but none of them, means nobody replied to me. So guys, then I was going through a circular of the DD shipping, and I think last year the circular had come from a DD shipping which was the endorsement of a place of birth. So I read through that, and then I found out, yes, now I need to go to a Kolkata MMD to get my endorsement of place of birth in my CDC. So now guys, I'm planning to go to Kolkata, and I don't know when I'll go. I will update you, and let's see if you guys have any information regarding it which I can do it just sitting at home. I don't have to go anywhere, and this thing can be done. If you guys know that, then please tell me. And guys, this is the first option. If any of the person who has a CDC which is valid and does not have anything, right, means in the place of birth section it's just a dash. So that's the thing. If those people has to go to MMD, and it will just take up one single day, and you write application, give your passport and CDC, and you will get endorsed on your CDC. That is the first option. The second option is if any of the person has a mismatch on a CDC and the passport, then you guys have to apply for replacement, because it cannot be endorsed now on the CDC because it has been already printed. All right, so these are the two cases which I went through on a DD shipping circulars. So it is really very important to read out the circulars as well from a DD shipping. So guys, that's what I'm planning basically, and I've already fixed up my DD shipping, and my passport is just okay. The second thing is, now in CDC there is no place of birth, so means now let's see what happens. And I'm planning to go Kolkata now. I have to go Kolkata, and I have to get endorsed my place of birth, and then I will apply for SID. Means basically I'm just not doing anything home, and let's just prepare all the documents. And if you guys as well sitting at home, just complete the documents, even though there is no official news, but that option which is available into DD shipping profile now to add up a document, it really made me think about it. It really made me think about the SID. All right, so that's what basically now I'm planning for. Maybe it means by the time we get the call to join a ship, and then suddenly this circular and any of the news come out from the agency or the company to get a SID, then a lot of people will go into rush, and it is going to be mess up then by that time. So why don't we do this thing? This anyways, it is an Indian seafarer identity card, and it's gonna be great, right? So guys, I hope this information was helpful, and if yes, then please make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram ID link is given down in the description below. You can follow me out there, and you can have your personal questions to me. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.